Welcome. Today I'll show you a quick update on how to enable SMS notifications for friend requests on Facebook Web from your PC. If you've ever missed a request because you weren't checking the site, this simple setup can keep you in the loop. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to your account settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. A larger panel will appear with more options. Choose Settings from the list to dive into the main settings area where you control many of Facebook's functions. In the Settings menu, locate and click Notifications. This is where Facebook groups various alert types into easy-to-manage categories. You'll see options tailored to how you prefer to receive updates, whether on the site, by email, or by other channels. Scroll through the notification options until you find Friends Requests. This category controls alerts when someone sends you a friend request. Click or tap into this section to customize how you want to be notified. Look for the SMS option. If SMS isn't already enabled, you'll see a toggle or a button to turn it on. Activate SMS notifications so you receive a text message whenever you get a new friend request. If prompted, you may need to confirm your mobile number or grant permission for Facebook to use your phone number for alerts. After enabling SMS, it's a good idea to test the setup. Have a friend send a request or use a test notification if Facebook offers that option in your region. If everything is configured correctly, you should receive an SMS promptly when a new friend request arrives. A few quick tips. Keep your mobile number updated in Facebook's settings so messages don't go to the wrong place. If you ever want to pause SMS alerts, you can return to the same friends request section and switch SMS off. You can adjust global notification preferences anytime if your needs change. That's all there is to it. With SMS alerts active, you'll never miss a friend request again, even when you're away from your computer or not actively watching Facebook. If you run into any trouble with the steps, try refreshing the page, rechecking the exact path in settings, or updating your browser to ensure the controls load correctly.